Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add your site icon. As you can see, it's still on here. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, you click on what? Appearance. After which, you click on Customize. So, once you get there, you simply need to click on what? Site Identity. After that, you scroll down, you are going to see choose site icon. Click on it, but you need to make sure that your site icon respect this dimension, as you can see here. So after that, you click on choose your site icon. So guys, these are the various icons in my WordPress website. Like if you want this one, you can insert it, but if you already design one, you simply need to click here, you upload it directly from here. Let's see, download, choose it, WhatsApp. After that, you click on what? Choose. As you can see, our site icon automatically change. That's it here. After that, you click on publish. So guys, we just successfully changed our site icon. Let us verify. As you can see, that's it. Our site icon is already there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.